Sorry it took so long.
That's okay.
So here's your helmet.
Okay.
And you said you've never been on a bike before?
Never.
Alright.
Do you want me to put it on?
Yes, ma'am. This
Okay.
should be fun.
Alright.
Alright. Feel good?
Yeah.
Alright. You're gonna hop on back here.
Okay. And just hop up?
Yeah. Alright. And then as we're riding, just keep your hands kind of up here while we're slowing down and then wrapped around me whenever we're accelerating.
Okay.
And don't get touchy down there.
Oh.